You have 24 hours a day.
Elon Musk has 24 hours in a day.
So why does he earn in a second what you earn in a whole year? It's not because he worked harder. If hard work was key to the wealth, the construction workers building the pyramid would have been pharaohs. You are exhausted because you're trying to beat the multiplier with addition. Does it don't trade time? They trade systems. And the system isn't designed for your freedom. It's designed for your fatigue. Welcome to the leverage paradox. This is the brutal truth. If your income stops when you stop, you are not building wealth. You are just managing a very expensive trap. Before you make another decision today, look at your to do list and ask, does this task expand my leverage or just a lever? If the answer is lever, the system owns you. If the answer is leverage, you are building your exit. But what does an exit actually look like? To understand this, look at two men in 1998. One is a master carpenter, the other one is Jerry Seinfeld. The carpenter built a chair. It takes him 5 hours. He get paid once. To get paid again, he has to build another chair. This is labor. One input is equal to one output. Jerry Seinfeld writes a joke. It takes him 5 hours. He tells it on TV. But here's the difference. The joke is recorded. It is syndicated. It is replayed on Netflix in 2005, in 2015, in 2024. Seinfeld is still getting paid today for the work he did 25 years ago. The carpenter has to show up to get paid, but Seinfeld get paid while he sleeps. This is content leverage. And today, with the internet, you are Seinfeld. There are only three ways to build this. First, code robots that work for you. Second, content media that speaks for you. Third, capital money that invests for you. You don't need all three, you just need one. Automate a task, publish an idea, invest $1, build your first chair that doesn't need you to sell it. The question isn't how much do I earn? That's a distraction. The question is what keep earning when I die? If it dies when you rest, it was never wealth. If it grows while you rest, you are finally learning power from tonight. Stop building for a paycheck. Start building for a legacy. The next hour will pass anyway. You can spend it, or you can invest it. You were trained to be a cog. Break the training. Become the architect. Most people will watch this, nod their head, and go back to the factory. Don't be most people. If you are ready to build system, instead of excuse, comment below. I am the architect, so I know who is serious. And if you want to escape the paradox, click subscribe. We are building the exit together.